But today, it's all about the big cars, the 4400s, the 4800s, the 45s, the 46, and the Yellowstone classes. We have the pros, the Pro Unlimited, the comp, the stock, the mods. It's going to be one heck of a show. So thanks, everybody, for checking it out. Make sure you download the Speed Hive app. That'll be our live timing right here at the Throttle Down Custom Start Finish. And then also we'll have racing tracks as well, so we'll be able to tune that back and forth. I'll try to monitor the YouTubes as well. My iPad got borrowed by somebody outside of our organization. Somebody typed some of my stuff, so I'm borrowing some stuff. A little off the page on that. I do apologize, but we're going to have some fun. Again, I'm Miles Hasquist, and we are about to kick off. And in that, and I see Dustin Robbins, I see Justin Wicks, I see Nick Allegri. It's going to be a great showing, so we'll keep everything running as smooth as we can. And there's a great aerial shot of exactly what is going down. Getting all our I's dotted and our T's crossed. There's Bailey Cole. There's that's Austin Thompson. There's Cole Johnson. There's Brendan. There's Nick Allegri. Justin Wicks. And that pole spot is all about Chuck Crosland. I believe this is his first pole position with Ultra4 USA. And here's a great in-car shot. I believe that's Cole Johnson. All right, look at me. I noticed it by the race suit. Thank you, Matt, for keeping me honest. So we have hopefully some good in-car action. We tried to go live this morning for the Youth 170s, but we were fighting some Starlink, so Matt stayed back, reset everything. He's got it good to go. We went Facebook Live on Ultra4 USA, and here is Alex Fleming with Sherpa Motorsports, part of the 4600 Spider Track stock class. And I think we're going to have just shy of 100 cars out on this 41-mile loop. And I can hear Chuck revving up just a little bit. Oh, and speaking about Chuck, I think you're lying to me. This is Hollis Silva, man. All good, buddy. So Hollis Silva has been up here with Yellowstone. He came up here and volunteered 1 year ago and started to get into it. Here is Chuck Crosland, our pole setter in the Jimmy's 4x4 2C IFS independent front suspension, with over 1,200 horsepower with the twin turbos. And I can hear him going, and we're getting ready to go. So the 469 of Chuck Crosland and Jake Wright out of Los Molinos, California, with Crosland Off-Road Racing and that Jimmy's 4x4 two-seat Red Dragon IFS. Brian Tooley twin turbo with over 1,200 horsepower. He's got a Hughes transmission, Mickey Thompson tires, ADS, Holly Off-Road, Renegade race fuels, and rugged race radios. And he is off, and we are running. So Chuck Crosland, the first one, and the dust is blowing the incorrect direction right into the T&E studio. It's going to be a dusty one. And fresh off his great showing yesterday, it's going to be the 311 of Dustin Robbins out of Decatur, Alabama. It is Can-Am Mavar with OBR tires, bullet wheels, CT, Warren Racing Cardo, and all things UTV. He raced that car for 9 hours. They prepped it last night, and he is off and running. Up next, looks like it's the 59 of Eric Wicks and Chuck McCain out of Truckee, California with Wicks Family Racing. And that beautiful Get Bent Fab IFS machine with Schofield Performance, Dart Block, and his wife Chelsea Wicks and Camco. Beautiful car. Can't tell if that's 20 seconds or 30 seconds, I'll be honest. They are sending them fast. So the number 792 of Justin Wicks out of Beckworth, California with Wicks Family Racing. And Bomber number 6. We just saw Mike Slauson with a great showing. His brother Randy Slauson builds those cars with a Maruzzi LSX 454 with over 800 horsepower. Bora wheels, Maxxis, high service prep, and Holland waterproofing. Now it's the 1949 of Nick Allegri and Ryan Peretti out of Scotts Valley, California with Allegri Racing. And that Get Bent Fab IFS with a Jeff Ginter Racing engine with a 558 big block with over 1,000 horsepower. Maxxis tires, Chevy Militia, Allegri Electric, Cowboys and Gillies, and Rugged Race radios. Off the line next is the 5150 of Brendan Thompson out of Nevada City, California with Bam Bam Racing, and that UFO single-seat chassis with a Borello Tall Black LS 493 with 775 horsepower. Maxxis tires, FK, SMT wheels, Machine, X-Craft Motor Gear, and UFO Motorsports. And off the line there was Cole Johnson, number 4482 out of Tremonton, Utah with Cole Johnson Racing. And that's SXOR 2C IFS machine with Schofield Performance. Over 500 horsepower, maximum transmission, Falcon, Edge, and KTM shock technology. And they are sending him. The next is number 13 of Bailey Cole and Amy Mildwater out of Temecula, California with Bailey Cole Racing and that Trent Fab machine with an LSX with 650 horsepower. Jegs, Yokohama, Socalx, Freight Factory, Yukon, and Carbon Off-Road. And the first in the 4800 Brannick Motorsports Legends class is Austin Bam Bam Jr. Thompson out of Nevada City, California with Bam Bam Racing. And the oldest UFO in the fleet, rear engine, solid axle with a Dart 454, 700 horsepower, Maxxis, SMT, ADS, and M&M machine. And Freight Factory themselves, Josh Sowell, driven by Dan Fresh and Martin Castro. And the 1504 out of Encinitas, California with Socalx Motorsports. Bomber Fab, Jeff Ginter LS3, Freight Factory, Fox, KC Highlights, Warren, and Unique Compotry. And it's the 170 of Dylan Summers and Guy Miller out of Santa Cruz, California with Summers Racing. Fresh off his win at King of the Hammers in the 4800 Brannick Motorsports Legends class. He's got Gearworks, Nitto, Ag and Fab, King, Maximum Oil, Brannick, and Ultra Wheel. And here comes the 22 of Woody Rose and Dylan Trent out of Sparks, Nevada with Trent Fabrication. And that Trent Fab top shelf chassis with an LSX 440 with over 750 horsepower, ATO transmission, Kumho tires, Raceline wheels, and Carbon Off-Road. And here goes Tom Prendergast, and possibly for the last time right around is John Dykes, the weapon in the right seat out of Castle Rock, Colorado with Fire River Racing. And that Off-Road Armory Eurofighter 2C IFS with an LS3, Mickey Thompson tires, Dirty Life wheels, the Happy Medium approach, 5-star tuning, HD size, and first form. And the first Yellowstone competitor off the line is the 6166 of Josh Cobb and Matthew Melendez with the Trophy Light out of Whitman, Arizona with Yokohama tires, King Shocks, and Vision X. Flip back to the Ultra4 side. This looks like it's the 4570 of Joe Gatlin, racing with Yellowstone Off-Road Racing. He usually races with Ultra4, so I was looking on my sheet, but he's got 2021 Jeep Jimmy's chassis out of Chino Valley, Arizona with Dirty Life wheels and Mickey Thompson tires. Off the line next is the 111 of Justin Joseph and John Cunningham out of Pueblo, Colorado with Seat Time Syndicate. And that Triton chassis with a Mast LSR 466 with Seat Time Syndicate, Maxxis, Otaway, and Off-Road Affair. Off the line next is Derek Summers and Jason DeAngelis out of Santa Cruz, California with Summers Racing. And that Jimmy's chassis with a Jeff Ginter LS 427 with over 650 horsepower. Gearworks transmission, Nitto, Ag and Fab, King, Maxima, Brannick, and Ultra Wheel. Off the line now is Jacob and Jason Pacheco out of San Martin AccuAir and Axle Pros. That was Charlie Shaw on the 1459, flipping through my sheets. Oh, sorry, that was Monty Tibbetts out of Yuma, Arizona with Lone Kid Racing and Mitchell Acoustic Drywall. And now it's the 4583 of Eddie Oliver and Justin Lyons out of Federal Way, Washington with Fueled Racing. And that 98 Jeep TJ with an LS1 383 stroker. Radflow, Milestar, NW Engine Machine, Yukon, and Comp Cams. And that was Mitch Bokenforth and Mike Bodez out of Sturgeon County, Alberta, Canada, with custom broken racing chassis. Holly Performance, Radflow, Warn, Mevotech, Raceline, St. Yager Stage 8, and American Iron Off-Road. And there went the 1470 of Zach Ablott and Allison Herman out of Blunt, South Dakota, with AZ Repair, Pierre Sports Center, Blackhawk Marine, Battleborn, Lone Kid Racing, Adlot Motorsports, and FAFO. And here goes the 218 of Dan Wyrick and Jason Sears with DW Racing out of Gardnerville, California, with Raceline Wheels, Frontier, and Milestar. And another UTV off the line in the 4400 class is Mark McCleary, number 4717 out of Reddick, Florida, with Turned Up Racing. And his Can-Am Mavar with Wayland Speed, CA Technology, Raceline Wheels, and Yokohama.